Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to fix this media file. Sorry, this media file appears to be missing in WhatsApp. So while downloading any uh, m- old image which is sent by your friend on WhatsApp, you will get this error in your WhatsApp. So what you have to do is, first of all, I am going to show you how this message appeared. So just click on this. I am going to download this image which my friend has sent to me, and now here you will see an error like this: sorry, this media file appears to be missing, please ask Ashish to resend it. So if you want to solve this problem, there are three methods or four methods by which you can solve. I hope first method will solve all the issue. If it is not solving, then try second and try third and try fourth. So first of all, what you have to do is, first method is to go into your setting, and here you will see apps option or app manager option in your mobile. Just click on it, and here you will see WhatsApp. You have to search WhatsApp here, and here you will find the WhatsApp. Just click on it, and you have to scroll down and go into the permissions. So now you will see that in your mobile a storage option is disabled, so you have to enable it and go back. So I hope this method will solve your issue. If it is not solving this method is not working in your mobile, then just go into your Play Store and update your WhatsApp. So if there is any update on your WhatsApp, just open in your Play Store and search for WhatsApp and update it. And if this method is also not working in your mobile, now what you have to do is just turn on flight mode in your mobile and turn it off. So guys, I hope this method will work in your mobile. If this method is also not working in your mobile, then you have to uninstall your WhatsApp app and reinstall it in your mobile. So like this, if any of the method have been worked in your mobile, so please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.